All right. What's happening, Smart Money Gang? What's up, gang? What's happening, man? What's up, y'all? You already know what today is. Today is pre-market analysis. You feel me? Pre-market analysis. What's up, YouTube? What's up? Let's get lit. Let's get lit right now. Let's get lit. Let's get up. Let's get ready. Let's start. Let's get on these charts, man. Let's put in the work, right? So we about to put in the work, guys. So what is about to happen is I'm about to do a pre-market analysis for those people who are new, guys, and I'm about to give you guys my bias on the breakout of today, Sunday. The market's open. The markets are fin to open, guys. So I'm finna give you guys what I feel is finna happen off the break, and you guys can try to like take this bias and go and look for yourself, guys, and then drop down to whatever time frame that you're trading and use this bias to find entry and exit points, guys. So this is going to be awesome, man. This is going to be lit up. Like I said, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, right? But I do offer a mentorship, right? Where I give you exactly what not to do and what to do from my mistakes, guys. So basically, I shorten your learning curve by just fast forwarding you through all the mistakes that I've made, right? And putting you on the exact same level, right, guys? Of course, you're gonna have to put in the work and the time and the effort, of course, right? But I'm gonna get you past the mistakes and the crazy things that I thought when I was first starting out that did not matter, that just threw me off, right? I'm here to help you guys and guide you guys. So you already know how to get in touch with that, man. It's gonna be in the description below, guys. It's gonna be in the description below, right? So by that being said, man, let's hop right into the pre-markets, man. So like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, man. You already know what it is, right? So put the timer on, guys. I love you guys, but I don't want to make these videos too crazy. So we about to just put up our daily analysis on our favorite two pairs, right? So NU, and then we got its cousin or sister, whatever you want to call it, AU, right? So we're gonna do NU and AU, guys. So we're gonna do NU and AU, and we're gonna basically, do a top-down analysis, you guys. You get to be in my head, um, and you get to see my process and how I think, right? So what it is that a lot of people are listening to like a lot of people, they're saying, hey, be this way, be that way, look for this pattern, look for one pattern, try to focus on this, listen, try to focus on what worked for you. So if that does work, if you focusing on one pattern or one thing works for you, then try that, guys. But you might not get a trade, or you might not get any type of action for weeks or months, right? Because maybe, that strategy that you're using is not really in the market right now, because the market's changed, guys. So every week, every day, you got new people in there, and they not even new people, they just experienced people, and they understand what everybody's thinking and what they're not thinking, right? So they understand that, and the big banks and the big companies like that, they move the market because they understand it. And sometimes it makes you get nervous, stops you out, or you kind of think that that maybe you chose the wrong way, even after you put in so much work and you put in time and effort to understanding the charts, and it was still wrong. Guys, we done been through all of this type of stuff. So I'm just keeping it 100. I'm just keeping it a buck with you guys. So guys, don't allow you know don't allow people to tell you that you should only do one thing, or you should only do anything, guys. Do what's comfortable for you and what makes sense, right? Once you get your risk management down pat, once you get you know your strength and weaknesses is down pat, once you get your risk to reward ratios, make sure you're completing it, man. Like, you'll go in negative and lose money, right? But then when it goes in positive, you're like, okay, let me take my money, let me get my money because I'm in positive now. And you're only taking $5 and you just negative $80, $40, right? Make it make sense, right? You risk $40, just try to make 89, you know what I'm saying? Try to make 80, 120, you know what I'm saying? 170, however, one, right? Like try it to 160. Try to make double, triple whatever you had to risk, guys. So you got to remember that, guy. Basically, so you already know, man. I told you guys, come to the 4 hour to find structure, guys. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. So come to the 4 hour, guys, to find your structure. So you can easily come to certain points, find structure, right? And mark off these zones or find exhaustion and things of that nature, right, guys? I've already talking to you guys about structure. I've already talking to you guys about I already talked to you guys about structure, support, resistance, key levels, exhaustion, all of that, guys. I done gave you guys the sauce, right? So like I said, man, this is my 4-hour bias right now. So me personally, I feel like, hey, this could be a level here. So what I'll do is I'll mark this level up, right? And what we need to do is we need to see this break here, or we need to see this candle, the close of this candle. Well, actually, this is the close of this candle, but we need to see the break of this candle above here and close above here to get price to push up, right? If we start seeing price, forming under here, close the next candle close under here, the next candle close under that, and then we'll start trying to look for price for structure break, right? For price to start pushing down to the downside. This is just me going in raw, and just looking at the charts right now, raw, naked, whatever you want to call it. Me just putting levels and stuff on just right now, just because, guys. So I will not have all these on my chart when I get done, but it's all good. We're putting it here now. Just for verification. So what happens is if price come here, close under here, and the next candle close under here and close, right? But we'll go down, scale down to the 15-minute, of course, but whatever we see going on right here, we see price making higher highs, going higher high and using this as support. Then we will look at it as, okay, price going up to here or to here, right? Or to the 7,500, this next minor key level, right? So price could finish continuing pushing up to this next key level before failing to make higher highs or whatever, and then come back down as a reversal. Or price might continue to push, may give us a nice pullback to about here or to here or to here, right? And then push all the way back up to the upside, guys. So what you got to do is you have to make sure you're looking at the candles and the way they've been printed up. I've noticed that when I trade with zones, I have more probability. Just because, just like how these areas are, as you see, it had problems here, right? And if you're going to pass, have problems here, right, here, right? So, here, all up in here, all right up in here, we have problems. So, all these areas right here, see how that's marked off. We had a problem right up in here. That's marked off. We had a problem right up in here. That's marked off. That's marked off. It just gives me good probability for my exits, right? So if I'm looking on a 4-hour, right, I can measure this area and say, okay, from here to here, this many pips. Is that a good trade for me? Let me look at my risk management. Let me see if that's a smart idea for me, right? So things of that nature, right, guys? Like I said, I can see price heading all the way up to the 7,500 level at some point, but it might catch stagnant here, it might pull back here, and then we might get a push up to the upside. Or like I said, price can start, boom, forming under here, making, candles under here and closing under here, and then continue to push down to the downside, guys. Hopefully it's just a pullback, a retracement, because this is a lot of bullish momentum, guys. So this is a lot of bullish momentum, even though we got a major rejection from this area, twin tops right here or whatever, right? Needle tops, that's double, right? And we're at the same level, right? So we might see price push down, right? So we basically got to watch out for this level right here. So boom, with that being said, and like I said, me just doing a quick analysis, kind of see this W shape pattern. We might see a push up to the upside. All depends. We're in a downtrend, guys, right now. We're in a downtrend. We could draw this top. Excuse me, here. We could draw this top right here. And right now, I didn't have to do that. I don't know why I did that. Even though this trade is over, I still want this on here just for, you know, confirmation that this is what was going on at this time. So I still want this on there. So a lot of settings. Turn this back blue. All right, so yeah, so overall, you know, right now, overall, we're in the uptrend at the end of the day. And we stuck at this 69,500, which is the key level. So we might get this full reversal. Like I said, we might head up to here, or back up to here, right? Back up to the 71,500 level. Soon, if it can get past the 7,500. So once price can get up to here or get past here, then we start looking for that push to the upside, or, you know, failure here and then get that push back to the downside. It all depends. But right now, we're in the uptrend because we got a low here and a confirmed higher low, right? And another confirmed higher low at this point. Price pushed up, another confirmed higher low. Price pushed up again, right? So as of now, we got to push up to the upside. That's what it's looking like, right? Like I said, it can fail anywhere, any of these levels. It can fail here, it can fail here, it can fail here, right? To pass these levels and then start coming back down, guys. So you got to be, you know, patient, and then you just got to look for stuff like that. So now, boom, we drop down to the 15-minute, so we can try to get that sniper entry that we'd be looking for. And then boom, you know, here, you know, we got the higher low, right? Then we got that big shoot up to the upside. So here we know, okay, boom, we at this level right here, and price has failed to get to that level, and it's rejecting. It's going down here now. Price, you know, reject this level and stay above, and this becomes support, and start making little smaller candles going up, then okay, we know we're gonna get that push up to the upside. They're gonna finish pushing the price up, and up. Maybe all the way back up to, like I said, the 7,500 level. Just all depending on structure. We know we got new highs, right? We got higher high, right? So higher high, new higher high. So we got this pullback, then we got this impulsive move or this reversal move, impulse, pullbacks here, impulse, pull back here, hopefully, impulse, pull back, then impulse, right? Pull back, then impulse up to this level, right? So first take profit, second take profit, third take profit. We'll see. I'm not forcing that. And then, like I said, we got the high stochastic oversold. I mean, overbought. So we might get push up or a failure to make a new high, right? Start making lower lows, right? Then we wait on that pullback to confirm that lower low, right? Because it could just pull back and then push all the way up. But we wait for this pullback, then confirm another lower low, you know, double tops, whatever, and then we'll get in, right, for the sale. Then we'll first take profit here, second take profit, third take profit, and then we're going back down to the 69,500 level, right? Going back down to that key level, right? And then we can start looking for shorts under here, under this level, right? So that impulsive move down to the downside. So guys, another thing, you know, that was key, but just make sure that you're looking for certain things at certain levels, right? So even if you was to, you know, you wanted to draw a 15-minute box time frame, or you know, 15-minute resistance right here, you can draw that on right here. And then what you'll look at is, okay, boom, you seen price come here, reject. You seen price come up here and fail to even get to this resistance level. Price came back, retraced, touched this level again, failed to make a new high, created another lower high, and then you seen this push down to the downside. You could have got for a few pips, whatever. 10 pips, right? So you could have got 10 pips, right? On a standard, $100, $1,000, whatever, right? $10 lot, $1 lot, whatever, right? So quick 10 pips, right? At the end of the market day, at the end of the market close. So it only retraced about 10 pips. Still not nothing to let us know like, okay, the price finna go down yet. Like I said, it's rejecting this area and it's also rejecting this area. So like I said, all these lines will not be on here when I'm trading, but I use them for they're not even lines, so they're boxes. And like I said, I just use them for structure. So let me know what if I'm at a point where okay, price could pull back or retrace, then I'll just chill and relax. I won't enter that trade. Like I said, high probability trades, a lot of confluences, and just understanding your methodology and trusting your methodology, and then your psychology, the way your mind is set. Like, oh, is you going, hey, you missing out, or is you waiting on, or is this a correction? What is it, right? Identifying stuff, right? Just slowing down the process, identifying everything that you got to that you got, identify everything that you have to work with, right? All the tools and everything you have to work with. So, I'm not gonna spend too much time here on all because it's basically the same bias, guys. So we here with it. We got a lower low here. So we got price created a lower low. We got this, impulsive move, but hey, it can also turn into a pullback, right? Price can fail to get to this is probably a 15-minute there's probably a 15-minute resistance. So price failed to get to here. And then fail to make any higher highs, start making higher lows, then we're gonna get in for the sell down, take price first, take profit second, third, then we'll figure out the rest, right? But if it's pushing and it already made a new high here, we might get here, push up to here, and then we might get a pullback down to here. We'll wait, see where the pullback at, see where the support is, and then we'll get in. And then we'll first take profit, second take profit, third, fourth, fifth, right? And then we'll take it all the way up to a number, right? We always trying to take it to somewhere. So we're going to try to take it to this 0.80 thousand, right? So we try to take it to that 0.80 thousand, guys. If not, and price just fails to make any higher highs or gets up here and fail to break this high right here, then we'll try to take it down to the 7,000 area, guys. So that's basically how we're trading, guys. And as you see, we had this bearish flag bullish channel, and then what happened was price started heading off here, going to the upside. Then price started making higher lows, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, failing to make a higher high. Boom, we got that nice drop, guys. So just be patient. Put in the work. Let's do the work, man. SMSFX, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Yeah, pre-market analysis, man. Y'all was the first to get it. So that's the perks, man, with being a subscriber, guys. So let's get it, man. Y'all know what time it is. SMSFX. Gang.